beginners, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fabulous. So in this video I am going to show you how to model this building in Revit software. So it contains curtain walls and the roof is drawn by using the roof by extrusion command. Now if you guys find this video useful, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell notification icon so that you will get updates when I post new videos. Now let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to set my levels. So go to this project browser and under elevation select in elevations. So we are here on east elevation. Let's change this name to ground. Okay, and that will be at height 0, and this one ground floor GF, that will be at the height 400. Okay, and then let's create another level that will be our roof level. To do that, just click on this level line and then select this option create similar, and then just type the height. I'm going to place this roof level at 4000 mm. So place this here and then just drag this out. Okay, done. Now just let's just rename this to roof. Yeah, sorry, roof. That's done. Now let me just click on this level line and then this drag and this, just drag this to here. Okay, so that's down. Next thing to do, go to this massing and site, and oh my god, just go to this site plan and then go to this massing and site tab and then select this topo surface. And now let's create a topo surface for our project. So just place these points. So I'm going to create a flat surface for this project. Once it's done, just finish it off and then select this topo surface and go to this properties palette, and let's just edit the material. I'm going to use grass. Upload this to here and then click it, click apply, click OK. So that's done. The next step, create a building pad for your project. So to do that, just select this option building pad, and the level will be yes ground, that's correct. And then let's use this rectangle option over here and just drag this like this, place it. Okay, so now we have our building pad here. Let's just edit the type. I'm going to duplicate this. Yeah, pad 2 name is fine for me. Click OK, and structure, edit the structure. For this pad I'm going to give the structure stone. Where is our stone? Gotcha. And then just upload this to here, select it, click apply, click OK, and then click OK. Okay, so that's done. Now let's give the height 400. Okay, and then finish it off. So we have our building pad here. Let's see how it looks in 3D. Select the detail level, this fine, and realistic. Okay, so that's how it looks. Let's go back to this ground. Now let's go to this ground floor now, and the next thing to do is to place our walls. Click on this wall command under architecture, and for the location line I'm selecting finish face exterior, and the height will be roof of course, and then okay, roof, and then base constraint is GFS. So that's it. Now let's just select this rectangular option again and drag this to this corner. That's done. So this is our wall, and now let's place the floor. Click on this floor option in the architecture tab, and then again let's just before that let's edit the type. Duplicate the type, give any name you prefer, edit the structure, maybe let's use the marble here, select anything you prefer, upload this here, click apply, click OK, and then let's just give a thickness of like 20 mm maybe. So this is, and then click OK. That's done. Now let's just select this rectangular option or tool there, and then just done, finish it off. So that's done now. So let's see how it looks in 3D. See, so we have created our floor, walls, and now it's time to place our roof. So we are going to use the command roof by extrusion. So in this tab, architecture tab, click on this drop down menu in roof option, and then just select this roof by extrusion and pick a plane, click OK. This is our plane, and then level, floor, roof, yes, sorry, roof. Okay, now I'm going to select this special line tool, and I'm going to just draw this like this, like this. Okay, that doesn't look so good, but let's just see. So this is our roof. Let's move this a little bit forward and then a little bit upward, and then let's go to this home view and see how it looks. We have to drag this end a little bit and this end also a little bit. Okay, it's done. I think this doesn't look good, so I'm just showing, you can draw as you want. Okay, so that's done. Now let's attach these walls to the roof. To do that, just place your cursor over any wall and then just press tab, select it, and then click on this option attach or attach top or base, and select the roof. Ta-da! Now we have all our walls attached to this roof. So that's also done. Now let's change these two walls to curtain walls. So to do that, just click here, place your cursor here. Now let's just click this wall and then press your control key and then click the other wall. So it's selected, and then go to this properties palette and right click on your type selector, and then select this storefront curtain wall. So that's done. So let's see how it looks. Let's see if there is any problem with this curtain wall. I don't think so. Let's go to this ground floor and see. Okay, this let's just move this inward. Hold on. I'm going to select this curtain wall. align these two, lock it. Move it a little bit outward and align these two also. Lock it. So it's okay. Now let's edit these corner mullions. Just place your cursor over this area, select this mullion and then unpin it, and this area over this mullion and then unpin it, and then select this one also, unpin and select this, one we have unpin and we have to select this one, unpin it, this one unpin it, this one unpin it. Okay, and let's select all these corner mullions and let's change it to L mullion. Go to this type selector and select this one. Okay, and just pin it. So that's done. Okay, the next thing to do is let's add a door here. To do that, just delete this, unpin this mullion and delete it, and let's delete these segments. For that we have to unpin it first and then just delete it. Now let's select this panel and then unpin it, and we have to go to this insert tab and load the curtain wall glass, curtain wall door. Select it. Okay, now again select the panel, press tab until it gets selected, the panel gets selected, and just go to this type selector and select the storefront door. So that's done, and we have to get rid of these two mullions. To do that, just unpin both of them and select it and then delete. So that's done. Now if you want to change the color of this material, you have to go to this modify tab and then just click on this option paint, and then just select the color you want. Let us just select this sash. See how it looks, or you can just select the roof type, edit the roof type. Okay, and then if you want to give any color, other color to this wall, just go here again and then select the color you want, whatever it is. So let's select this one for now and then just change the color. So that's how you add paint to the walls. And that's all for today. If you guys find this video useful, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestions regarding my videos, please let me know in the comment section, and let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care.